learned All on My Stride by Palace. Playing not really chords. I think of this more as like a riff based. But there's, I think, just you can play this with 3 shapes. And this is the first one. It's just like a F sharp minor kind of thing. So you play 2nd fret on the low E, 2nd fret on the G, and you leave B and E open, but you mute the A. And then that's the first shape. The second shape is this one. I'll put somewhere I'll put up a diagram. This is like a, then we have index on the 2nd fret on the A. So really you're just playing an octave. These are the same notes. And then there's one more shape. This is like kind of like your G shape. 4th fret on the A string, 5th fret on the low E, and then with your pinky you're getting the octave, muting the D. So that's like the first phrase. And then the second phrase, repeating these shapes. And then the next one is 7. We're doing middle finger on 7, index on 6, and then we're playing the octave with our pinky on G at 8. And then you keep the same shape and go back down to A at the 5. So all together, all right, thanks for that request. Have fun playing it. Bye.